Okay, here's the deal. You got a cell phone, right? And you want to make some money from it, right? How do you do it? Like, how is it possible? How do you make money from your cell phone? Everybody got one. Well, one way is what I'm doing right now is making YouTube videos. I said before, I have over 800 videos on my YouTube channel, and 95% of my video was shot with a cell phone. With a cell phone. You can shoot YouTube videos on your cell phone. That's one way. You can start your blog, and you know you can blog on your cell phone. WordPress got an app you can download. You put your credentials in for your blog, has your blog up there. You can create a post, save a draft, upload photos to that blog post. You can blog on your cell phone. So when you have those long road trips, you're driving, you write your blog post while you're driving. You can save it, do it, finish it later. That's two ways. The third way, you can build up Instagram. And the only way that I know you build up Instagram is take more photos. The more photos you take, the more followers you get. You can build that Instagram up just on photos alone. You can build enough up to be an Instagram influencer. That takes time. But you can do all this at the same time. That's number three. Number four, I have a lot of cashback apps on my phone. I have a lot of apps that have roundup features like Acorns and Worthy Bonds. Worthy Bonds, you buy a $10 bond, you get 5% interest rate on that. I'm making money. Acorns, take your, and that Worthy Bonds has a roundup feature. Take my spare change, when it's $10, it'll buy me a bond. Acorns, roundup feature, take my spare change, once it's $5, it'll invest in the stock market. Okay? Number five, cashback apps. Apps that give you money back for going to the store you was going anyway. Dosh is another one. The Pay app. There's a whole lot of apps out there that you swipe your debit card, you go to Walgreens, you get cash back. Now it's not really making money, but you over time, you could probably build $40, $50 just on that card. On the apps. I get cash back on gas from my cell phone. My cell phone, I scan my gas receipt, and boom, there you go. I get some cash back. My cell phone is basically making me money. The On My Way app, it's number 6 or 7. Now, I'm talking about this in the last couple of videos. On My Way app is an app that pays you for not using your cell phone while you're driving, texting, or being on Facebook, YouTube, whatever. You can be on Google Maps, but you can't be on YouTube or Google or texting, Facebook, none of that stuff. And they'll pay you money to drive back and forth to work. So my phone, because you gotta have your cell phone with you, your phone was making you money. And there's a periphery of other ways to make money. But those are the ways I do it. And as you can see here, I list about 5 or 6 things that make you money that's not hard to do. And I'm making money right now with YouTube channel, which is YouTube video. I'm putting this video on YouTube, I'll monetize it, and I'm making AdSense revenue with this video from my cell phone. The cell phone is a great invention, and you should use it to your advantage. Anytime I get paid from driving back and forth to work, I don't care if it's 20, 30 cents. My work is only 10 minutes away. That's crazy. That's just nuts. I know somebody who has a On My Way app, and she lives about 30 to 40 minutes away. This was 40 minutes to work, 40 minutes back to work. In 3 weeks, she made $140. She had to drive to work anyway, so she made $140 in about 3 weeks. So in about a month, and she started in the middle of the month. She started in the middle of the month, and she started from the beginning. So she started from the 1st to the 30th. She probably made about $300 in a month, just driving back and forth to work. And if she did give us a gas app to get gas, she cash it back on that too. It's crazy. There's a way to make extra money. You just got on your phone. Your phone is doing all the work. That's why I buy the best phone, because the phone will pay for itself. This phone, I bought a Galaxy S9. I bought it, was on sale. The S10 just came out. I didn't want the S10. It was, no, I didn't spend $1,000, but I spent about $600 on this phone. It paid for itself over and over again. Because YouTube, blogging, the cashback apps, on my way app, I'm making money. So yeah, there are plenty of ways, and that's a sum. That's just some of the ways. So what I'm gonna do, below the video, I have all the links to all the apps that I use on my phone. I have links to learn how to do affiliate marketing for free. That's a free program. Check that out. If you want to start a blog, you get a free domain with my link for Bluehost. All below the video, right here, below the video. Check it out. Get all the gas apps. Get the On My Way app. Cause you work far away. You work 4 to 5 minutes away. There's no reason why. Like I said, she did it for a week, about a week and a half. She made $140. Cause she drives 4 to 5 minutes a day, and when she get off from work, she gotta pick her son up, then go home. Plus go to the store and etc. etc. So probably, I'm just guessing, for a whole month she probably make almost $300. Plus, if she had the gas apps, she probably make $30 on that from all on your cell phone. So all the links below the video. If you want to check them out, sign up. All those links below the video are my affiliate links. So I will get a commission for those links. But besides that, you get a bonus on every link that I have. Besides the affiliate marketing link, you get them bonus. But all the cashback apps below, I believe you get a bonus with that. So that's it for my video. Thanks for watching my video. All the links below my video, they're all referral links, affiliate links. I do commission for those. But check them out. Your cell phone is an asset. I tell my wife, you spend a lot on your cell phone. This cell phone is an asset. This cell phone will make me money. It's doing it. But you gotta put it to work. And all for your cell phone to make money from you, you gotta put it to work. It's not gonna do nothing by itself. You gotta put it to work. It got a camera. It takes photos. You could type on it. You could build up Instagram. You could do a whole lot of stuff from your cell phone. So put your cell phone to use and make the money. My name is TylerSKing.com. Thanks for watching.